So we're in beautiful Morton Park with the lovely Ms. McTaggart. Watch her, says she wanna sleep. I don't believe her. She hiding. You wanna sleep? Really sleep?
Yeah.
Can I lend you some sleep?
And live in that package.
Oh, you wanna pack it? Alright,
Yes.
cool, cool. Anxious.
Yes.
What do you want to tell them
Thank
about the
you.
service so you can go back to sleep? Quick.
It's always good. If you
Mhm.
have any problems, I can WhatsApp you guys. You guys
Right.
communicate when there are issues with the website
Mhm.
or anything. So, deliver right after waiting in line from a package. 10 out of 10.
So she loved the accountability. She loved the service. 10 out of 10. You couldn't give us 11 out of 10?
I'll 52.
50 out of 10? I think I love her right now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great one. You can go back to sleep now.
Alright.
You don't mind me waking you up for the package though?
No.
You don't? Alright, there you have it. She doesn't mind us waking her up for the package because she get it on time, all the time. Every time watch her hide and go back up to sleep. That's how we do it on the delivery trail. We get it to you whether or not you're sleeping.